How to fix WhatsApp images not downloading. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you on how to resolve the issue of images not downloading on WhatsApp. One possible reason for this problem is a full mobile storage, which can prevent images from being downloaded due to the lack of the space. Another common issue could be slow internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, and if you check this criteria and your internet is fine and storage isn't full, make sure your WhatsApp is updated. Check the Play Store for the updates. If your app is not up to date, update it. If the problem persists, try clearing the WhatsApp cache. To do this, long press on the WhatsApp image, select App Info, then go to Storage and choose Clear Data. This will reset the app settings, potentially resolving the issue. Check and adjust app permissions as needed, and after this, log back into your WhatsApp account. And if you still can't download images, consider reinstalling WhatsApp from the Play Store or the App Store. Additionally, restarting your phone might also help resolve any underlying issues. So this was all about how to fix WhatsApp images not downloading. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.